Welcome to Tech Solutions. In this tutorial, we are installing the Google Chrome web browser on Pop! OS 24.04. This method uses the official Google package, so Chrome stays secure, stable, and automatically updated through the system. Let's begin by opening the terminal. Pop! OS is based on Ubuntu, which means it uses the apt package system. Before installing anything new, it's always a good idea to refresh the package index. This allows the system to pull the latest software information from configured sources and prevents common install errors later. Once the package index is updated, the next step is making sure the download utility is available. We will be using a standard command line downloader to fetch the Chrome installer directly from Google's official servers. In most cases, this tool is already installed, but verifying it now avoids interruptions later in the process. With the system prepared, we now download the official Google Chrome installer package. This file comes directly from Google, not from third-party repositories. That matters because it ensures you're getting the original, unmodified browser with proper signature verification and long-term update support. After the download finishes, we install the package using the System Package Manager. During this step, Pop! OS automatically handles dependencies and also adds Google's official Chrome repository to the system. This means future Chrome updates will arrive automatically through normal system updates, just like any other trusted software. Once the installation completes, we can close the terminal. There's no additional configuration required. Google Chrome is now fully installed on Pop! OS 24.04. You now have a fast, stable browser with built-in security updates and full compatibility with modern web applications. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching Tech Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.